Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer, artist too, and model builder. I'm busy recently with this small ship, what is the miniature Carraca Nava, actually originally from South of Adriatic, what is city of Dubrovnik, other names Raguza or Libertas, well known through the history for the trade, business people, builder of the famous ships, 15th, 16th, 17th century. One of the famous ships, as this one, is a Dubrovacka Nava, or Nava from Dubrovnik, Carraca, well known as a part of Spanish Carraca in the famous war between Spain and England, actually having a superior quality on the sea, well known. Building of these ships was very specific in that area. Actually, we cut a tree in the forest, we dumped it in the sea for 10 years, and after that taking out and starting to cut the parts, the planks or segments of the future ship. Very specific. This is one of those. The model, what you see, is actually nearly finished. I work on that long hours, as you can understand. Is very small, as just 8 inches by 9 inches. And whatever small pieces, for example, like this one, there are 2 mills big, and the hole in the middle, the blocks actually all around the ship. What is probably the closest way to come to the dimension what I'm building to. His original ship belonged to Adriatic, and I am a person who started to collect informations, original ones from the Dubrovnik. We had one, still is there, candelabra, bronze, what is nearly exactly like this one, just missing the masts, what we rebuilt following some fresco painting and some monastery in Dubrovnik. That was 70s last century, and with a big enthusiasm we built a plan. We started to sell our plans and even building the kits to build the ships. This is short history, but ship itself is very famous, well known. Dubrovacka Nava or Carraca Naval, that was the end of the 15th century and the 16th century. As just following Santa Maria, what was Colombo's ship Caravella. Difference is because Santa Maria had only 2 cannons both sides, one and actually 6 falconets, the small ones what sailors carry on the shoulder. This one have actually 8 to 10 big cannons, and the difference is in that the first castle, what is actually reinforcing the ship in the big discoveries, coming back to original port they left, a lot of pirate already. That was really important to protect the cargo. As you see, a ship as a pretty nice looking, eight cannons. As you can see, I will today do some works where the protection all ships had on the front, and this one from Dubrovnik was a big They believe that that is the lucky side, to have a pig head on the front instead of other gods or different creatures. This is a Dubrovnik Nava, and the pig head what I carved is a miniature carving, as you see, as a quite serious carving. We are going to glue that on the front, and then we have anchors what I built to the steel with a wooden cross on the top, and from other side too. We have two of them. Then I will start slowly to do this kind of job. Well, let's go with our works. First, we will put some glue. And we will put it in the place, holding for some time that the glue start to dry, and will hold our pork, the pig head on the front of the Dubrovacka Nava. Well, now I will go on with anchors. As I told you, I drilled the holes inside here. Then my idea how to do the things is, I will put a little bit of glue on this anchor rope like this, and just move that in this hole, put the anchor on the place here, and let it dry. Other side, in the same way, see? Okay, head is looking pretty firm now. Later on I will go around, put some rope what originally was holding this kind of mascota, we call that, as a ship protection, and bon voyage we call that, was seen as an unlucky situation if ship lose one of these protectors. That means should be in very good way tied to the ship. That's the luck for the crowd, for the business, and for the ship. This model now is in one stage, what you see now, and is not finished in my idea what I'm following. This ship will be gilded, covered with 23 karat gold, and when dries up, the cage, actually what is usually built for the models, for this ship will be pyramid, actually covered with a resin, and ship will be completely covered inside the resin. This will be shape of the pyramid, and I think will be forever protected and nicely looking. Was enjoyment really working on this ship. For now, I wish you all the best on your projects. Thank you very much for following me. Again, I will turn around the nice ship, how that look like. There. Good luck on your projects. Just go on, don't listen to much critics. There are many around. They can show their works, not to talk. Good luck, thank you very much.